I've been trying to avoid talking about Lisa Hyper's rants and behavior for the past few weeks because I think mental health is a serious topic that I honestly don't have the knowledge and expertise to talk about it. But seeing Lisa being arrested last night really hurt me because she really has been going through a lot. Mental health is a taboo topic in Jamaica, and when a conversation is difficult, we usually try to make jokes about it. But if you or anyone you know is suffering from untreated mental episodes or has suicidal thoughts in Jamaica, please contact the Mental Health and Suicide Prevention Helpline at 888 New Life. Lisa Hyper is known to suffer from mental illness. In 2023, in an interview with the Jamaica Star, she stated, "I was diagnosed with psychosis and bipolar disorder, so I still have to visit the doctor for continuous assessment." Lisa Hyper is one of the most talented female artists in dancehall. If you don't believe me, check out her recent song, Soul Cry. Really good song, and it deserves recognition. I believe that art imitates life, and Soul Cry's music video is about Lisa showing her perspective on what she has been through. In a recent interview, Lisa stated that she doesn't think she has mental health issues, but believes that someone performed dark magic on her, and that is the reason she is avoiding family trying to get her to the University Hospital of West Indies to get the injection that helps with her mental health. Lisa honestly believes that she was misdiagnosed and that the injection is unnecessary. As an artist, I believe Lisa hates the injection because it makes her gain weight and act slow, making her unable to be creative when she is making music. I believe that Lisa really has mental health issues. It's very clear that her actions on social media. Family members are trying to get her the help that she needs. But some of Lisa Hyper's actions tell me she is somewhat coherent because she has been using the controversy to promote her music through her rants and interviews. The rant about Dexter Daps and the whole history of meeting him and saying she is pregnant in interviews and then releasing the song Hard Drive with visuals. She recently released Bittersweet, expressing hurt from a failed relationship. All of these themes in her 3 songs have been expressed in her rants. I hope Lisa Hyper gets the help she needs and that the people she has disrespected and hurt during her episode do not take it to heart because, at the moment, she is not well. Honestly, I think it was wrong for The Fix and the Let's Be Honest podcast to interview her because she is currently in a vulnerable state, and I'm glad I'm not the only one with that point of view. Here is Richie feelings on the matter.
Them not try to understand and say, yo, all I want to interview Lisa. All I want to interview Lisa after uno go sub and watch back that. Uno do it for views. Because I know enough I want to do it for, I'm in a business. Jeffrey, The Fix, the whole I want to interview where I ask Lisa Hype. None of you never try to understand. Because she go up on her phone and she rant and I go on. I want to take it down and say, yo, come. Because we run competition and don't want another for views. All I want to pussy. All I want to pussy. The whole I want to. Whole I want to pussy. And I can tell you that. Suck on yourself. I remember I not beg no friend from you. Not pussy. A views you don't do it for. Because you not laugh. You not laugh. I want to act and you talk about shorty and this and that and that. And I know you see the real problem with Lisa have. Remember, this is not Lisa's first episode. None of you in a blood clot remember that. You remember when time she dip on the live and somebody take away her phone from her and then after them take away the phone. Because remember she, and the first Lisa do this. So you come on and not blame cartel, You not pussy. Oh, quick. We forget. Say she do this already. Oh, quick. She do this already. But she don't want views. When I run competition, you don't want any of views when I run down. Because I did my family. Me I don't have problem pussy hole. Me I tell you no. Fix and Jeffrey. Me I don't have problem. And I did my family. Suck no matter what. Me I tell you no na pussy. Because I run down views. What views mean? When you get a little $500 blood clot, a little $1,000 for half of views? Eh? Money? Germs? Lisa come and she say she a breed. Lisa say she a breed. Remember she say she a breed, you know. She a breed. Everybody has say, yeah man, Dexter that breed the girl. Ray, this and that and that and that and that. And be people, yeah man, Dexter that a wicked, make him move in blood clot. Dirty narcissist. Ray. And she smoke and she drink and she a go on. Hold on her pussy. Suck on the mother. Hold on. Hold on. You not feel like me, you know. But this is something that bother me. Because I go through this already. Enough people here to know for them to interview they want to do. Enough people here to know. You not even understand everybody we have a family member where I go through this. Here to know blood clot. That's why one time when you see people, when you see people, just stay far from you and have nothing good to say about you because of some things you do. Because after you go to Bama watch back that you say, oh, you know, so I not put out this. Because after looking for her, she rant and I go on the internet. Why would I want to interview her? Why not try to reach to somebody where can help her? Why we can't do something like that? Remember, nobody not quick to help nobody boy again. People just talking. Anybody can type, oh, my prayers goes out when they know they've never prayed. But as soon as for them family in some problem, them ask everything. That's why I keep certain part of my life private. You can't know nothing about me if me not tell you. Nothing you can't know if me not tell you. When I run to the internet, we deal with the one problem. If me be sick of morning and something for happen and me for dead, you can't know. Because when I put that on the internet can be a very cruel place. Can be a very, very, very cruel place. And people are running down views now. Anybody who can get the most views, say them a lead. A life that. No morality no in that. No morality no in that. That for sure so the whole of Jamaica morals gone. Nobody know no morals again. Everybody does a look on a dollar sign. So people look by you, once them see them can make a money off of you. Nobody not really show you no genuine love again. Once them can make a money off of you, them say, yeah man, come in. That interview you go far. That interview you go far. Nobody not like nobody. Remember Lisa up upon her life, 100 people upon it. Seeing 100 people upon it, and as soon as excitement starts and she starts cussing and go on, 6,000 people. 6,000 people up to 7,000 people. She never gets so much views in her life yet. Why you think it's a people view? You think I help them or I help her? This is some girl go, load the girl phone. Everybody knows you can't go to the airport without a ticket. And once you're there too long, people police out there watch you. A whole heap of police out of the airport. In a plain clothes look like say them a sweep up the place and all of them something there. So somebody can just make a call and see them just come and ask you, oh, you're there out here how long? That's why I always tell you, so when you have a good friend, you have to cherish that friend. If you have a good woman or a good man in your life, cherish that.